Hello, welcome back to our class data science. Something today is day 5. There is a long back. There is I think it's 5 to 6 days gap for our next class due to some extra not due to some unavailability. So from now we will start. Previously, we have discussed about what is data science, what are the importance of data science, and applications of data science, why Python is used, only the Python language is used in data science, what are the applications of Python, and what is our course curriculum. And coming to day 3 and day 4, we will discuss about what is Python, what is importance of Python, and applications of Python, and um, how to install the Python, how to write our first program. Hello, welcome to 1M Solutions. This is our entire day 4 overview of the day 4. Now, in day 5, we will discuss about the variables and data types. Now, let's discuss the variables and data types. From this class, we will discuss about the learning outcomes. We'll start the slideshow. Okay. What are the learning outcomes from this as what is variable, declaration of a variable, as a variable assignment, data types in Python, checking data types conversion. From this class, we will cover what is variable, declaration of a variable, variable assignment. From these three, all we can cover. It's very boring. I think it's boring. So we will cover these three topics, and tomorrow we will cover another three topics. We will continually start the covering the sessions. From last week, we'll do the day by day. From next week, from today onwards, we will continue the daily sessions. So now let's see the what is variable. Generally, while doing a programming in any programming language, we have to utilize different variables to store data. Variables are only hold memory areas to store values. This implies when you make a variable, you have some space in your memory. Suppose you want to store something. So to store that in one area, name that area. That name is known as variable. Suppose when you create, suppose if A is a variable, when you create A, it has some space in memory, and suppose if you assign A equal to 10, so the 10 will be stored in where the A can be created in the memory. In that place, the 10 will be stored. This implies when we create any variable, they have some space in the memory. So this is how to create a variables are nothing but the reserved memory locations to store the values. Here they say that variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. This means when you create a variable, you reserve some space in memory. So whenever you're creating a variable, you reserve some space in memory. Variables can create space in memory when you create a variable. So when you assign any value to the variable, in that value in assign in memory, where the memory in the variable. This is to create any variable, you reserve some space in that in the memory. This is no what is variable. You may jump at a chance to store data of different information types like character, wide character, integer, floating point, double floating point, boolean, and so on. So variable can store all types of data, like different types. You know the information may have different types, like character, wide character, integer, floating point, double floating point, boolean, and so on. So in view of data type of a variable, the working framework assigns memory and chooses what can be put away in the saved memory. Suppose the character has 2 bytes of memory and wide character has 3 bytes, integer has 4 bytes, the floating point has 8 bytes, the double floating point has 8 bytes, 10 bytes, and boolean has 2. So based on their type of the information, the memory can assign that the memory size. So where the memory size is character, it is can be suppose a memory type is what is variable? You may jump at a chance to store data of different information like character, byte character, integer, floating point, double floating point, boolean, and so on. So in this way, the data variable can store different types of character. In view of data type of a variable, the working framework assigns memory and chooses what can be put in a saved memory. So each type of each different types of information can assign different bytes of data based on their operating system or based on their working framework. Now let's see. Now let's see the declaration of a variable. Variables are containers for storing data values. Variables are nothing but a containers are storing data variables. Unlike other programming languages, Python has no command for declaring a variable. So in some other languages like C, Java, C++, first you have to declare variable and then you can assign a value. But in Python, you no need to declare a variable first. You can directly declare a variable and assign a value in one line. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. So whenever you creating a variable, you can assign a value to that variable. Python is completely object oriented and not statistically typed. So you do not need to declare variables before using them or declare their type. Every variable in Python is an object. So every variable in Python is considered as an object. So before them using or declare the type. In Python, we don't need to declare the type also. Suppose in other languages, a equal to int 10. Suppose in Python, you can no need to declare a equal 10. It automatically declares that is integer or floating point based on the type. Automatically consider it as integer. So now let's see assigning values to the variables. Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. So Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. The declaration happens automatically when you assign a value to a variable. So it happens automatically when you assign a variable. The equal sign is used to assign values to the variables. So here the equal sign is used. This is the assignment when we call it the assignment sign or the equal sign is used to assign values to variables. The operand to the left of the equal operator is the name of the variable. Suppose no, we can write suppose here a equal to d equal so the name of variable is called operand to the right of the operator of the equal operator is called value stored in the variable. Suppose if a equal to b, here a is called a is left side of the equal operator. So here a is called variable. Suppose equal 10. Here 10 is the right side of the equal operator. Suppose here 10 is a value stored in the variable. Now let's see the example. For example, a equal to age equal to 20. Here equal to operator. The left side is called. What is the left side is called? Left side of the equal operator. The left side of the equal operator is the name of the variable. So here the age is the variable and equal 20. So that is the right side of the equal operator is called value stored in the variable. So here a 20 is the value stored in the variable age. Now let's see the another example percentage. Here percentage is a variable. Here 17.58 is a floating point. Here 17.58 is a value. No, name is a variable and rhosome is a string. Now we can print this age percentage name. We can get the output 20, 17.58 and rhosome are the values assigned to age percentage and name variable respectively. Now let's see multiple assignments of a variables. Now multiple assignments. Here we see that you can write age percentage name in three different lines. Now you can assign these in. You can write these values in one line. Let's see how. Here multiple assignment. Python allows you to assign a single value to several variables simultaneously. For example, if you assign same value with three variables, you can simply assign with one line like x equal y equal z equal 15. So here value of x equal 15, y equal 15 and z equal 15. Assigning. You can write here in three lines. Here x equal 15, y equal 15 and z equal 15. In this way you can write. But you can reduce that directly write in one line. So this is length of the code will be reduced by using a multiple assignment concept. Here, an integer object is created with the value 15, and all three variables are assigned to the same memory location. You can also assign multiple objects to multiple variables. For example, here A, B, C. Here A equal to age, B equal to percentage, C equal to name. Here 1, 2, Ram. So here you can write three different lines, but here you can assign one line to assign the values. This is assignment. So here two integer objects with values 1 and 2 are assigned to a variables A and B respectively. And one string object with the value John is assigned to the variable C. Now here we observe that A is equal to 20. We don't need to declare a data type. Here 20 can be considered as integer. It is auto Python. What's the main advantage of Python is it's automatically declares the data type. Here percentage equal to 17.58. Here we don't need to require as floating point, but here floating point number. But here we can declare as the age 20 is declared as integer number. Here 17.58 is declared as floating point number. Here when we write anything in the inverted commas, it can the interpreter can be declared as string. So you can write anything between inverted commas, it can be declared as string. Anything can be written in inverted commas, either in double or single. It can be considered as string. This is the string. What is string? The string is nothing but any number or any name or any value can be in between any two between inverted commas, either in single or double. It can be declared as string. Now, from we see the theoretical part. Now let's see the practical. So I can stop here and I move to the what is ideally Python ideally. Then we can do the practical way from these two. We will see. Now let's create a value. What you will say age equal to 20 and percentage equal to 17.58 and name equal to ONM solutions. No, let's save the file. We can save save as variables, can save. No, here we forgot to write the print. So we can print the values. Print age, print percentage, print name. No, let's save. Oh, let's save. No, let's run the module. Can get here we see the output 20, 17.58 and 1M solutions. No, here the one age 20 and percentage and name. No, we can take the multiple assignments. Here we can consider as x equal to y equal to z equal to 15. Now we can print x, print value y, print value z. Now we can also at a time we can assign the multiple assignments. Suppose we can consider the values x, y, z is completed. So p, q, r, a, b, c, d. Suppose a comma b comma d comma e comma e equal to e comma f e f equal to here a equal to 1 equal to 2 and c we write a string. We have started previously. We have started previously online mathematics questions for class 6 to 12. We will declare 1, 2, 3 and now let's see another string. If you want to line, please contact Online Solutions 2024 @gmail.com. So, solutions gmail.com. You can also provide doubt solving for the mains problems only. image problems in mathematics and we provide video video lectures video lectures solutions to each problem. These are from we can here how to look now let's move to the here we can declare A, B, C, D, E and F. So here we can declare this. So we can write welcome welcome to one tech webinars. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. So we declare this a floating point number. Here we declare a floating point number. Or we declare a name that is Jai Sri Ram. Now let's save the program and run. So we can save a program and run the module. So we can get so here 1, 2, 3. You can get 1, 2, 3. Here there is a day for 12. Here so here I just visit the value too many others to unpack expected 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6. So this value can be how this can be connected. Oh yes, 6. Oh yeah, we have 7. Yes, I think we have 7. So we can add A, B, C, D, E, F, and H. Okay. Now let's save and run. Yeah. Oh. Oh yes. You can't print it. You can't write the print statement. Yeah, I think so. We can't write the print statement. So no, let's print the no, let's write the print statement. So here you can write print Let's copy and paste the printer. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E, F, H. So now let's take A, here B, here C, here D, here E, here F, here. No, there is no need to print. Now let's save and run. Now there is a trackback error. The name D is not defined. So, okay, there is a something wrong here. Oh yes, it is A, B, C, D, not D. Okay, now let's control S. And now let's run the module. Yeah, we can get the solutions. Yeah, 1, 2. Here we see that print A. Here A equal to 1 and B equal to 2 and C equal to Jai Sri Ram and D equal to welcome to 1M Tech Trainers and E. We started CBSE online math tuition for class 6 to 12 and F. If you want to join, please contact 1M Solutions 2024@gmail.com and H. We provide six problems and we provide video lecture for each problem. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, H. So 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E, F, H. So we can provide video lectures to the video lecture solutions to each problem. This is our promotion. So as I can teach, I can also promote our uh, our organization. Our organization is 1M Solutions. We provide technical courses like Python, Java, Power BI, machine learning, data science, and all. So if anyone want, we provide both online and offline training. So if you want anyone, please contact 1M Solutions 2024@gmail.com. And also we can provide video lectures for different classes in different class solutions. We can provide not a tuition. We can also provide the video lectures for each and every problem for their curriculum according to their syllabus. If you have any extra, you can one-to-one contact is our main goal. Our main goal is every student can be prove that maths is one of the easiest subjects among all other subjects. Our main goal. So this is today's course. Now tomorrow we will discuss the remaining course. Thank you for coming and joining. We'll meet tomorrow. Once again, thanks.